Hey guys, Mark and Swan here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you could generate more leads, more sales, and more reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Jamberry Nails business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets rapid fire. No fluff, no time wasting, all facts. Saving the number one bonus for the very end, so stay tuned for instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you the exact simple three-step strategy that I use to hit the leaderboards for recruiting and to hit the leaderboards for sales with another company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted leads to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again, so you never have to cold message people. In this way, you can attract highly qualified and targeted prospects to you of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at what others who already have the success that you want, looking at what they've done, and create updated content going after the same keyword. And you're going to utilize a tool called TubeBuddy to speed up the process. This tool allows you to go to the video you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. You're going to create a coherent title with your keyword phrases. Your title should go after multiple keywords while still making sense. Create a 300-word description and scatter your keywords throughout. Place your link at the top of this description. By doing things in this way, you're going to be able to rank on Google and YouTube and get traffic to your offer. You're going to create a thumbnail using canva.com and save your thumbnail as your primary keyword. You don't want to reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat. Just copy the right cat. You don't want to copy word for word exactly what somebody said, but you want to create similar content that's 3 to 5 minutes long going after the same keywords. Use Open Broadcast System to share your screen and save the video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're essentially marketing to no one. So you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. And in this case, it's most likely going to be like-minded network marketers. And you're going to start off with a good first message. Hey, Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I noticed the comments that you've been making on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I checked out your profile. We definitely have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, and I thought we should connect. It'd be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? You'll be able to reach out in this honest way, and then you'll start to build your following. As you build your following, you want to engage with people in your timeline. You could do this by asking a question, fill in the blank question, or a quote, or a blog post. You want to connect in groups. You want to make 5 to 10 of those connections per day. The Tony Robbins fan page and the Robert Kiyosaki fan page are really good groups to do this. You want to be consistent as people will get to know you for your comments, and you just want to be social and comment on what other people are saying and have them comment back on what you're saying. And you just be social and make connections. The key here is not to go in there and try to pitch and close prospects. That will come, and over time, people will start to reach out to you. You want to post curiosity versus resistance. Now, that's 90% personal and 10% about your business. The 10% about your business is going to be the results of others or the results of yourself. 90% personal are going to be inspirational quotes, pictures of yourself, pictures of you hanging out at the beach, pictures of food, and those kind of things are going to be good things to post. A curiosity post can also lead to somebody asking about your business. So it's good to stick to the 90% curiosity post. This morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powders, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. Some people may reach out to you with a post like this and say, hey, but what's that green powder all about? And that green powder may have something to do with your business. Guys, I hope you guys got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this. I'll see you on the other side.